Welcome to our review of the RIG R5 Max HD. We'll explore if graphene drivers are truly the future of gaming audio, contrasting the R5's 40mm GrapheneQ drivers and included 32-bit USB-C DAC with older, standard plastic driver headsets. The graphene advantage is clear. 97% pure graphene is ultra-lightweight, incredibly stiff, and requires less power to drive, offering lightning-fast, transient response and elite audiophile-grade material compared to plastic derivatives. Total harmonic distortion, or THD, is dramatically reduced. The R5 Max HD tested below 0.1% THD, ensuring near-zero audio distortion even at max volume, leading to excellent vocal and instrument separation. The R5 Max HD offers a 20 Hz to 40 kHz high-res audio frequency response, extending beyond human hearing limits to capture extreme high-end harmonics. This provides sharp treble and deep sub-bass extension, unlike the limited 20 kHz standard audio. In competitive gaming, the R5 Max HD uses scooped upper bass to isolate enemy footsteps, combined with a 1 kHz mid-range boost for clear dialogue and high spatial depth, giving you a tactical advantage over casual gaming audio mixes. The included external DAC is the audio engine, offering 32-bit/384 kHz decoding. It acts as an external audio hub with USB-C power pass-through, an auxiliary input, and hardware unlock for Dolby Atmos 3D, vastly superior to basic onboard audio. Design and modularity is key. The R5 Max HD is fully modular with a magnetic alignment system, swappable microphone placement, removable cosmetic mod plates, and replaceable ear cushions, making it future-proof and easy to clean. Weighing only 390 grams with the mic, the R5 Max HD is lightweight. It features plush memory foam and breathable ear cushions, tested for 8+ hours of fatigue-free use, ensuring comfort for marathon gaming sessions unlike heavier alternatives. The microphone provides broadcast-grade, pure vocal clarity. It includes a satisfying tactile flip-to-mute feature and is magnetically swappable. It is ideal for quiet rooms and home offices, avoiding the artifacts of artificial noise canceling. The headset relies on dense dual-material ear pads for environmental noise isolation, blocking about 60% of ambient noise. This effectively muffles keyboard and office chatter while maintaining natural spatial awareness, without the need for digital ANC. The R5 Max HD embraces the wired approach for elite reliability. You get absolute zero latency, infinite battery life, uncompressed 32-bit audio fidelity, and immunity to tournament wireless interference, a key trade-off for untethered convenience. This is a pure analog headset with zero bloatware. It includes a Dolby Access license for Windows and uses dynamic profile auto switching. Unlike competitors, it requires no mandatory software installations or background apps, minimizing CPU and RAM drain. The RIG R5 Max HD offers major wins: zero distortion graphene drivers, a massive 32-bit USB-C DAC, SNAP+LOCK modular build, and ultra-lightweight comfort. The compromises include being strictly wired and lacking active noise canceling. At only $149.99, the R5 Max HD offers accessible audiophile quality. This includes the expensive DAC and Dolby Atmos license. It's half the price of premium competitors, offering unbeatable value without the luxury tax and degrading batteries. The verdict: buy it if you are a PC audiophile or competitive FPS player who demands zero distortion, high-res audio, and maximum wired reliability. Skip it if you need untethered freedom, prefer bass-heavy audio, or game in loud, shared living rooms.